Welcome back to part 2 of our cardiovascular system presentity.
The wall of the heart is composed of 3 layers: the pericardium, the myocardium, endocardium. Each layer has a unique structure and important function. The pericardium is the outermost covering of the heart and blood vessels. Its main function is protection. It consists of the fibrous pericardium, which is tough and prevents overstretching, and the serous pericardium, which secretes pericardial fluid to reduce friction and protect the heart from erosion. The myocardium is the middle layer of the heart. It is made up of cardiac muscle tissue and forms the bulk of the heart. This layer is responsible for the pumping action of the heart.
The endocardium is the innermost layer of the heart. It is made up of a thin epithelial tissue that provides ganztakes, smooth lining for the chambers of the heart, and covers the heart valves.
The heart has 4 chambers that help in the circulation of blood: the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. The right and left sides of the heart act as 2 separate pumps. The right side of the heart pumps blood only to the lungs, while the left side pumps blood to the entire body. Because greater workload, the wall of the left ventricle is thicker than that of the right ventricle.
The right atrium is a small, thin-walled chamber that receives deoxygenated blood from the vena cava and passes it into the right. The right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from the right atrium and pumps it to the lungs for gaseous exchange.
The left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins and passes it into the left ventricle. The left ventricle lies below the left atrium. It receives oxygenated blood from the left atrium and pumps it to the entire body through the aorta. The valves of the heart are located within the chambers and major vessels. Their main function is to control the direction of blood flow and prevent the backflow of blood.
The tricuspid valve lies between the right atrium and right ventricle. It allows blood flow into the ventricle and prevents backflow.
The mitral valve lies between the left atrium and left ventricle. It allows blood flow and prevents backflow. The pulmonary valve lies between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. It prevents backflow into the right ventricle. The aortic valve lies between the left ventricle and aorta. It prevents backflow into the left ventricle. The heart circulates blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients while removing waste products.
Blood circulation has 2 types: systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation.
Systemic circulation carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the body. Pulmonary circulation carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs and returns oxygenated blood to the heart. Thank you for watching this presentation on the cardiovascular system. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and Tanity.